He's the next big thing.
He's been a dominant force around the world.
He's a future world champion.
He's can't miss.
He's the main event. He's a lock. He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock.
He's a lock. I am the lock.
He's dominated the world, and now he's set his sights on WWE.
The following contest is a
It's Mr. Money in the Bank.
and his partner from Montreal, Quebec, Canada, weighing in at 212 pounds.
I never thought I'd say this, but the former Lock has teamed up with his WWE nemesis Sami Zayn to take on Alpha Academy here on Raw.
The newly returned superstar is clearly doing whatever it takes to get back to the incredible heights he experienced in his WWE debut, ironically enough, against Sami.
Desperate times call for desperate measures, Saxton, and do you hear that? It's the sound of Shawn Michaels' 58-day clock ticking down by the second.
Strong suplex. Placed into the corner.
Guys, I can't think of a worse place for him to be right now.
What are we going to see here?
Oh, no way. Falcon Arrow connects.
That move on its own will knock the wind out of you, but from that height, it'll knock the earth and fire out of you, too.
Oh, saw it coming.
Uh-oh.
Arm drag provides an escape.
Right across the back of the neck.
On the apron, lifting it up into the ring. Bam! Super. Tuning up the band. It is time. Swing chant music. Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in. The official act. And he lets him out of the submission hold.
Could have been a strategic move to wear down that body part for something bigger later.
Pulling him in for the backbreaker. Ouch. And Gable's hopes are wet. Gable on the receiving end.
What a wrist clutch suplex.
And he's been concentrated on that area throughout this one.
He knows every blow there weakens his opposition more each time. The sleeper is cinched in.
He had nowhere to go. He had to give up.
And they score the win. What a tag match.
From the moment he debuted, this The circus is in town.
Not my kind of circus.
It's been a winding road for the WWE superstar known as The Lock, and his journey takes another unexpected twist here tonight against Doink the Clown.
The understatement of the century, Cole. Is this really happening? And the better question, why?
I heard rumblings backstage that none other than The Rock may have something to do with how this match came together, which only confuses me more.
Right to the kidneys from behind. Fight is so close to our announce table.
Yeah, I'm just gonna step aside now.
Hey, wait for me! He'll take things into the ring.
Staggering to it. An emphatic victory.
Here is your winner, The Lock, Daniel Morales.
Dolph Ziggler's looking to make an impact tonight on Raw as he goes one-on-one with the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus.
From behind. Dolph might not make it to his match tonight.
What the hell is this all about?
And things backstage are getting quickly out of hand.
Oh, they're done playing nice. They've got some serious aggression that needs to be worked out, and this just might be the best way to do it.
Oh, what a kick.
Ooh.
Powerless position to be in right now.
Through the table! Through the table!
What a wrist clutch suplex. Oh, man. Ooh. Oh. 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 Bang.
Metal. Just carrying the opposition anywhere they want. Powerbomb.
And gentlemen, I've seen a lot of movies with scenes on a catwalk. Spoiler alert, they usually end in catastrophe.
Oh, I hope that's not an omen of things to come.
Oh, my God. No official needed here, as it looks like they've set... He's no longer known as... We're about to see... There's few matches in WWE more challenging than an 8-man over-the-top rope battle royal, and that's exactly what we're witnessing here tonight.
A battle royal is only as exciting as the superstars who show up, Cole. Luckily, this match is absolutely stacked with next-level talent.
Of everyone involved, I've got my eye on the superstar formerly known as The Rock, who has more to prove than just about anyone in WWE right now.
STO! Into the ring again.
Take it over. Beautiful.
You've solidified your name as a top athlete when you're able to pull off that move. Oh, he's got him up high. The following slam. Not the prettiest thing you'll ever see, but it sure looks effective from here.
Oh, my gosh!
This could be it. Elimination time. There he goes, right into the corner. Fence chop echoing through the arena. Oh, that hurt in the chest. Shelton Benjamin counters.
Carmelo Hayes has been eliminated.
Uh-oh. Saw that one coming. Took advantage. And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver.
Hooking the arm for a Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied.
Getting the upper hand by taking away your opponents.
Austin Theory has been eliminated.
He's heading back to the ring.
Benjamin into a rough.
Here is your winner, the Lock, Daniel Morales.
Deal. I just need to borrow your scooter.
You don't already have one? I'm having second thoughts.
Mine's in the, shop. The scooter repair shop, which is definitely a real thing.
Oh, okay, bro. You can totally bogart mine. Look for...
A cool persona and a respected mixed martial arts background. Riddle is here to fight.
Wait, that's not Riddle. What the heck is going on here?
I don't know, but he's acting like Riddle, scooter and all. I have no idea why he or anyone for that matter would want to do this.
He's actually pretty good on that scooter. Maybe he's been practicing.
Is this really the time for goofing off like this? He's got a deadline approaching where he needs to win the championship or he's gone from WWE forever. I think I'd be more focused on that.
Or maybe there's more to this we don't know about.
Or maybe the stress of the deadline has caused him to lose it. Who knows?
He's certainly got Riddle's mannerisms down pat.
Again, I hate to be the downer, but that's not going to help him win this match, let alone overcome the difficult odds he faces trying to gain Slade's championship before SummerSlam. I just don't get it.
You can see by the look on his face that he came here tonight to send a message.
He's certainly determined to prove a point, and that's that he should be on top.
Well, he has the opportunity to prove that point tonight, Corey. We'll see if he's all bark.
Hope he isn't getting paid by the hour because Veer Mahan is probably looking to make this a quick one.
The Lion of WWE has feasted on many an opponent in his young career, clearly staking his claim as a big man on the rise, and very few have been able to stand against him so far.
Standing drop kick.
Great ups. Looking wobbly in the corner.
From the ropes with a shoulder breaker. And set right into the corner. Forearm! With the counter.
Brief sign of adrenaline there for him.
Held in a perilous position. Exhibiting a crazy amount of strength here. Cover. Is it enough? And this one is over.
Here is your winner, the Lock, Daniel Morales.
And that seemed like a pretty easy day at the office right there.
This is what you get when you have complete confidence and control of the situation.
Just wanted to say thanks for the apology gift basket you sent New Day. It really meant a lot.
No problem. Sorry all that ever happened.
All is forgiven. And now that we're on better terms, I was dismayed to see the precarious situation you found yourself in. Is there anything I or the New Day can do to help?
Actually, I am looking to start a faction of my own to help get me out of all this. I know you'll always be a part of New Day, but maybe you'd be interested in a dual faction membership?
I'm intrigued, but we've certainly had our share of ups and downs.
If you can't trust me...
Okay. Did you?
If that's what it's going to take...
Excellent.
They're here.
Of all the superstars I'd have picked to team up with the former Intercontinental Champion, Xavier Woods probably would have been the last.
Well, rumor has it that the pair have mended their fences since that catastrophic WWE 2K cover shoot. But I'll believe it when I see it.
Double underhook applied. Butterfly suplex. These are big power moves becoming more devastating with every attempt. Driving a knee into the arm. He's absorbed some damage already.
If he's smart, he'll make a tag soon. A break on the apron could help him mitigate this damage.
And Eric can't stop any offense coming his way.
Every form of offense Eric attempts is being neutralized.
Oh, an arm-wringing shoulder breaker. Oh, diving leg drop. Setting them up for Fisherman's Buster. Ooh.
Continuing to work on the arm with a vicious knee drop.
Here's a set Wiggleplex.
Oh! Lining it up. Gonna cut him in half.
Eyeballs in big, big trouble.
That's gotta be it. 2. Finally, it's over.
Here are your winners, The Lock, Daniel Morales, and Xavier Woods.
And the winners celebrating together. Great chemistry tonight.
No frills, no gimmicks, just old school tag team excellence to get the victory.
He's no longer known as The Lock, but he's as dominant as ever.
Son of a dream looking to realize his destiny in WWE.
One of the most beloved superstars in WWE, Matt Riddle. The wild card of the Brawly Brutes.
Yeah, Cole, this dude's definitely not playing with a full...
Tag team wrestling doesn't get much better than what we're about to see as the former Lock and Cody Rhodes team up to take on Riddle and Butch.
And the stakes couldn't be more personal. Cody and his partner are fighting to bring home the Dusty Classic trophy to the Rhodes family's trophy case.
Pretty tasty subplot in play, too. Cody could become a powerful ally for the former Lock if he can help lead the American Nightmare to victory.
Carefully measuring. Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark. Looking worse for wear in the corner now.
Perched up top, could be looking for a superplex. Maybe something more.
This is going to be big.
It's gonna hurt.
Almost put him through the ligaments in the leg. And now the pressure's mounting on him.
He can't just think of riding this out. He has to get on offense.
Able to get the advantage here.
And that could be a first step towards Riddle gaining control.
This could be a good chance for Riddle to unleash something devastating. Into a backbreaker. Fantastic.
You guys take requests. We're tuning up the band.
He steers clear of contact.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
Wow. And he had Riddle scouted. DDT.
In position. Ready to strike. Here it comes. Look at Riddle. His lights are off.
Shoulders down. Oh, kick out.
That's really as close as it gets.
He's turning the tables. Uh-oh.
Half and half suplex. Lights out.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Does he have him here? Good officiating there. Referee seeing him the ropes and breaking the count. Using the elbow as a weapon. And Riddle in a bit of danger.
And Riddle needs to find that spot.
Tuning up the band. It is time. Swing. These attacks.
He can't allow himself to let up now.
Oh, look at this. Give up. That submission forces the tap out.
And after this bizarre match is made on social media, Cody Rhodes and his fill-in partner have won the Dusty Rhodes Tag Team Classic Trophy from Riddle.
While this isn't the same as winning the actual tournament, just having this trophy in his possession is huge for Cody Rhodes.
And a sign of good sportsmanship from Riddle. Honestly, even he has to realize this trophy is in better hands now.
Yeah, at least no one will be eating cereal out of it anymore.
Congrats again to Cody Rhodes.